In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a hosting plan for a Webflow site. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and what to consider so you can confidently choose the right plan for your project. First, head to the Webflow dashboard, open your browser, sign into your Webflow account, and land on the main dashboard where your projects are listed. This is your control center. If you manage multiple workspaces or projects, make sure you're viewing the workspace that contains the site you want to host. The dashboard view helps you confirm you're in the right place before making any plan decisions. Next, click on Plans. You'll find this in the dashboard navigation. This section shows Webflow's plan options and, importantly, the difference between site plans and broader workspace plans. For hosting a specific website, you want a site plan that attaches directly to the individual project. Workspace or account plans are more about team collaboration and design features. They don't host your site. So, from the Plans area, navigate to the Site Plans page for the site you're working on. Now, select your desired plan. This is where a little context makes all the difference. Think about what your site needs today and where it's headed. If you're building a simple, mostly static marketing site and just need a custom domain and solid performance, the basic plan usually fits well. If your site relies on dynamic content like blogs, portfolios, or any database-like collections, go with a CMS plan so you can manage and scale content easily. If you anticipate higher traffic, advanced features, or stricter limits on form submissions and bandwidth, a business tier plan gives you more headroom. And if you're selling products directly on your site, choose an e-commerce plan, which unlocks product management, carts, checkout, and integrations built for online stores. Take a moment to review the comparison chart on the page. Look at traffic limits, monthly visits, form submission caps, CMS item limits, and included features like site search. Consider billing as well. Monthly is flexible if you're testing or launching soon, while yearly often provides savings if you know you'll keep the site live long term. It's also helpful to start with what you need now, knowing you can upgrade as your audience grows. Once you've identified the best fit, select that plan and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the choice for your site. That's it. By going to the Webflow dashboard, opening plans, and picking the plan that aligns with your site's requirements, you'll have the hosting foundation ready for a smooth, reliable Webflow launch.